Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm going to be showing you how I dismantle and assemble a 4-speed Royal Enfield gearbox. And I'm going to be giving you 3 tips to help you do this for the first time on your own. So I'm opening up the gearbox to change the kick dog. So here this nut which you see is a reverse threaded nut. So it's just the opposite to tighten and loosen. So you stand on the brake, you put the bike in gear, and you just try to tighten it to loosen it, if you know what I mean. This is how you change the gear. This piece locks into that. That is the kick dog. I'll leave that up to you to put it on like a puzzle. Also, if you're having trouble to remove out that shaft from the bearing, if you just give it a really nice bang, and hopefully should leave. Yeah, I was having quite a bit of a problem putting it back, and I figured it out that after it sits on, you have to put the kick of it and